Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. All right, right now I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Motorola Razr Plus 2023. Pick this one up on Amazon. Let's go ahead and open the box. This is a renewed version, so it's not brand new, but like I said, most of these Amazon phones are pretty much like brand new. Usually they are brand new, the only difference is the packaging. So they're usually returned items. So let's go ahead and take this one out and open it up. I'll throw the link down in the description. All right, see if this phone is any good. Now, the reason I ended up getting this phone is because I went on a trip recently, and I ended up leaving my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 on top of my car, and it flew off somewhere between Death Valley and LA. So now I don't have a flip phone anymore. And so I thought I would give Motorola a try, and let's see what's inside. All right, so here it goes. All right, it doesn't have the original box. It does have a charging cable and just the device. And let's see the condition here. All right. Okay, wow. Okay, this feels really, really nice. I like this back texture. Okay, Motorola. Let's see if it has any nicks anywhere. It looks like it's pretty much brand new. So a lot of times with these renewed Amazon renewed products, what they do is they'll just basically take it in as a return and then just resell it as used. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's up. If there's any power here. All right. So far, the hinge looks really good. Actually, this hinge looks a lot better than it did on my Z Flip 5. It's a little bit less noticeable. All right, so here we go. All right, so I gotta go ahead and set all this up, and I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, so here I am. I'm back. I'm setting this up. I just added my Wi-Fi, and it's gonna take a little while to get everything ready. Now, what I did notice is when I was typing in my Wi-Fi password on this phone, I noticed that the haptics are a lot better than they were on the Z Flip 5. And to me, I'm all about haptics, man. I think when a phone has good haptics, it's a joy to use. If the haptics are poor, it's not satisfying. So the haptics are really, really good. All right, so let's just go. Hopefully that this phone has eSIM is found. I'm gonna copy that. And let's go ahead and just go ahead and wait a little bit more here. Now let's take a look at the back of the phone. It's got this glossiness, like a mirror right here. So basically, I think even if you take a picture here of yourself, you can see it's like a mirror image of yourself, which is kind of cool. It's got two 12 megapixel cameras. I believe they're 12 megapixels. I know the 2024 version has a 50 megapixel camera. So the 2024 is going to have a better camera system, I believe. But you can't really judge everything based on just specs alone. So this also runs the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. I'm going to skip all this right now and just kind of get to the home page and just kind of go through some things and take a picture here and there. And I'm going to set my pin real quick. All right. Do that again. Haptics are really good. So I'm definitely digging the haptics. All right, let's set up the fingerprint. Okay, let's go ahead. So it's side mounted as it was on the Z Flip 5. It's right here. So let's go ahead and do that. Look how quick that was. Okay, let's see here. Let's go ahead and do this again. Here we go. All right, let's go ahead and do that. All right. All right. All right, cool. Now let's go ahead and add another one. We're going to go ahead and do that later. And review additional apps. I don't really want any of these, but let's go ahead and I'm going to turn this off for now. All right, let's go ahead and just get to the main page. Now I know it takes a while. Now anyways, I like the feel of this device. So let's see the flipping it. Look how everything is aligned perfectly. Now, even with the Z Flip 5, there was a small gap. This one has zero gap. Check that out. All right, that looks really, really nice. Now, when you open it, it actually feels sturdier than it did on the Z Flip 5. I wish I had my Z Flip 5 to compare, but I don't. So I do kind of like this. Now you do have to, this needs more resistance to open than the Z Flip 5. All right, so let's go ahead and get this thing open. All right, so let's just go ahead and do all this stuff later. Subscribe, next. Okay, all right. Let's do gestures and, all right, I like dark theme and finish it up. So, go to my home screen. All right, let's go ahead and go there right now. All right, here we go. All right, so here it is. It's the OLED with 160 hertz refresh rate. Sorry guys, my camera shut off when I was recording. So here's the screen. It's 160 hertz refresh rate. Beautiful OLED. Excellent screen. I love it. Let's go ahead and take a picture. Now let's check out the brightness here. See how bright this thing is. Wow, that's really, really good. Let's take a photo and see how the camera is. The camera was really, really good on the Z Flip 5. It wasn't the best, but it was really good. So it wasn't fantastic, but it was good and solid. So let's see how the camera is on this one. Let me go ahead and take a picture real quick. All right. So I took a picture of some flowers here, and they're okay, not great, but you know, these camera phones don't have the, like I said, these camera phones don't always have the best cameras. But let's take another picture. All right, and see how that comes out. Processing. Now the processing time is taking a while. I don't know why. Let's go back to this one. Let's go back to it and see how it came out. And it came out solid. Now let's go ahead and see what I took a picture of and see if you guys think that it came out pretty good. Now it's a lot brighter here than it is here in real life, but I think the detail's decent. As you can see, there's good enough detail. You know, I wish this had a zoom or telephoto, but it doesn't. It's ultra wide. Now let's go ahead and take another photo. Let me take with both of these things in frame and see how that comes out. And here it is. So here's the ultra wide. As you can see, it's decent. It does the job. It does the job. Now, I would always recommend finding a working Gcam app for any time you have a phone like this. Motorola seems to work well with Gcam. So if you guys can find a Gcam, I would definitely, you know, suggest you get one. And let's see the video here on this one, how the video works. All right. So I'm just going to start moving things around here. Let's see if the video's any good. The video's decent. Do some playback. And like I said, it's fine. It's fine. It is what it is. I mean, these phones aren't designed to be camera phones. They are designed for, you know, pocketability. And so, all in all, I mean, I think the camera will get better with software updates. And as far as the look, I think it's fantastic. I really like it. And it has actually a full working screen out here. So the beauty of it is that you can actually access the screen. Check this out. You can go ahead and open the camera app there. You can do a lot of things here. So the screen is actually, here's, you can go to settings, not now. As you can see, you can work all these apps with the screen. You can go to Gmail. So this is really, really good. So, you know, really cool compared to Samsung, where you couldn't really use all of the apps. But here you can pretty much use all of the apps. So that is really, really cool. So you don't even need to open the phone most of the time. It's a 3.6 inch and it looks great, man. So anyways, guys, this is I was going to say the Z Flip, right? Because I'm so used to it. This is the Motorola Razr Plus 2023. You can pick it. Anyways, guys, you can pick this phone up on Amazon. I got it for 250 bucks renewed. So I'll throw the link down in the description. So far, it's a fantastic device. We'll see. It's got 12% battery, so I need to charge that. So I'm sure that, you know, once I fully charge it and, you know, use it for a couple days, I will give you a final verdict. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, stay blessed, take care, and stay tuned.